Welcome back to Clark's Culinary. We are making a spicy peanut dipping sauce. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of natural, unsweetened, creamy peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of juice from ginger, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce or Siracha sauce. You can add more to suit your taste. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and mix. Once the ingredients start to look well combined, add water or coconut milk a tablespoon or 2 at a time and mix until you get to your desired consistency. I added 4 tablespoons of water. Once the peanut dipping sauce is to your desired consistency, top with chopped peanuts and red chili flakes for garnish. And this sauce is ready to be used as a dip for your spring rolls, summer rolls, fresh vegetables, dumplings, or skewered meats. Thank you for watching Clark's Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.